Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would really love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to talk about items that every prepper should be buying right now, and they're on the cheap side, whether they're from dollar stores or, the big box stores, really. The first one obviously is toilet paper. You can buy these by the roll, or even you can even get them in 4-packs at the dollar store. Aluminum foil, dental floss, because our dental hygiene is going to be, it's not only very extremely important right now, it's going to be even more important after an event. Okay, so either these are my favorite, but even if you can just get the regular dental floss, because there's more uses to dental floss than just for our dental hygiene. Lighters, either these type of lighters or your regular cigarette lighters. Q-tips, extremely important. These are not just for your hygiene, but also if you have to do any kind of cleaning of a wound. Wipes, whether they're flushable wipes or baby wipes. You can also wash your body down with these. Extremely, extremely important. I always buy these in bulk. Trash bags. I like to buy my trash bags at Royal King. I found that their prices are better, the trash bag quality is better, and you get more in a box, really. And Ziplocs. I don't really care if they're the Ziploc brand. I really don't. Sometimes I'll buy Ziploc brand if I have a coupon, but other than that, I just go with store brand. Okay, but having Ziplocs, they keep your items from getting wet. You can store things, when you put you're getting your bug out bag ready. You can put your things in the Ziplocs to put in your bug out bag if your bug out bag is not waterproof. These are things that we have to take into consideration. And last but not least, this item that every prepper, I feel, should be storing right now, and this item is actually free. What's that? Free? Yes, it's free. How can that be? Oh, let me tell you. This is in your home right now as we speak, and it's probably in your trash can. And you're probably asking yourself, what is she talking about? Well, this item that I have in my hand right now is a really good way to start a fire for when you're cooking outside. If you can't get your hands on any kindling, okay, you don't have any wood, and you need to start up, your fire pit so you can cook to keep warm. Dryer lint. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I said it. I bag up my dryer lint. I don't throw it out. So what I do is after, I'm done doing laundry, I keep all of my dryer lint in the Ziploc. Okay, this is a newer bag that I just started this week. And I keep it on hand. So, in the case of an event and I have to start cooking outside and my propane tank is empty and I can't use my grill and I have to use my little camping grill that I have that I need wood for, but say I can't get any wood. Or I don't have any coffee filters to start a fire with. Dryer lint. Swear to you, it works like a charm. So start saving your dryer lint, ladies and gentlemen. I promise you, it works wonders. All right, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day and be safe. Bye.